Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make chocolate cupcake. We'll see what are the ingredients need for that. We need 170 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of sugar, powdered sugar, and we need 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 eggs of extra margarine, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and fresh milk. These are the ingredients need for the chocolate cupcake. We'll see how to make the chocolate cupcake. We'll add for the chocolate cupcake, we'll add extra margarine, and we'll add the powdered sugar. We'll beat this well. Now add 1 by 1 egg and beat well. Add the other egg also and beat well another few minutes. Now we'll add the milk and the vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence also, and beat few seconds. Now add the cocoa powder to the flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now we'll sheave this and take. Before we are sheaving, we'll preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 180 degrees. I sheave the flour 3 times, and now we'll add to the cake batter little by little and mix it well from a palette. Here's my chocolate cupcake batter. Now we'll pour into the cupcake tray. Like this. Add little by little. Here's my chocolate cupcakes. We'll bake this for 20 to 30 minutes in 180 degrees. Here's my well-baked chocolate cupcakes. It took 30 minutes to me in my oven. Now we'll cool it and put icing and see. We'll beat one egg white now. Beat this till it like this without falling. When we are turning the ball, it's not falling. Form the egg white, egg meringue. Vanilla also. And little by little add icing sugar, beat it well. Then add vanilla and add the icing sugar and beat it well. Another little icing sugar and again this. Here's the consistency, and I am adding little butter to that. Then another taste will add to that. 1 tablespoon of butter. I add to the egg white 2 tablespoon, 2 into 3 tablespoon chocolate powder. Then you can take like this and we can pipe on our cupcakes. This we can pipe from chocolate icing. Here's my cupcakes. I pipe from chocolate butter icing, and you also make and taste and see. Thank you for watching.